Hello students, hope you are well. Today in this video, I am going to discuss our chapter number 8, that is more on Adobe Flash CS3. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss Flash Tools panel. Okay. So our topic is Flash Tools panel. Okay. Now you can see the figure on the screen. Okay, this is the figure of Flash Tools panels. Okay, and here you can see on the left side and right side there are lots of tools, and today I will discuss these about all tools one by one. Okay, so on the left hand side you can see first tool is selection tool. Okay, the use of selection tool is to select object in Flash. Okay, so selection tool is used to select objects in Flash. Okay, now on right hand side we have sub selection tool. Okay, the sub selection tool lets you do so by moving the curve and corner points that define the elements and by rearranging the curves bezier handles. Okay, now the next is free transform tool. The free transform tool on tools panel allows you to interactively scale and rotate any selected object or shape on the stage. Next tool is lasso tool. So the lasso tool is used to group select odd or irregular shaped area of your drawing. Next is pen tool. Okay, the purpose of the pen tool is to allow you to drawing exact paths as straight lines or smooth or flowing curves. Okay, next is text tool. Text tool is used to edit the individual letters or words inside the text area at any time. Then on left hand side we have line tool. Okay, so line tool is used in much the same way that you would use a real pencil to draw with a ruler. Next we have rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to make rectangular objects. Then pencil tool. The pencil tool is used in much the same way that you would use a real pencil to draw. Next is brush tool. Okay, so the brush tool draws brush like strokes. Okay, as if you were painting. It lets you create special effects. Next on the left hand side we have ink bottle tool. So ink bottle tool holds the properties you have set for strokes in any of the plates. Okay. Next is paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool fills enclosed area with color. On the left hand side, next tool is eyedropper tool. Okay, eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool allows you to select the attributes of a shape such as fill and stroke color and line, weight and style. Okay, and then transfer them to other shapes. Okay, then eraser tool. The eraser tool works similar to a classic eraser. It is used to erase something. Okay, we use eraser. Okay, when we want to erase something by pencil we have written. So that time we use eraser. So like that, eraser tool will use something. Okay. Now the next is hand tool. This hand tool allows you to easily access artwork or other object content in this space if you are doing detailed work at high level of magnification. Next is zoom tool. Zoom tool changes the magnification level of the object. You have two options, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, then stroke color. Stroke color is for the outline of the shape. Okay, and then stroke tool. So stroke tool describes the edge of a shape. It will describe what? It will describe the edges of a space. Okay. Then the last tool we have, that is fill color. So fill color is used for the color inside the shape. You have to keep this in your mind, that stroke color we use for the outer line of the shape. If you want to draw the outline of the shape, so that time you have to use stroke color. And fill color when you will use when you want to fill the color inside the shape. Okay. So fill color we use for the color inside the shape. Okay. So we have discussed all the tools from Flash Tools panel, and I hope you understood. Okay, so for today this much. Thank you so much for watching the video.